It looks like a very simple vanilla building material, but this is actually one of the most difficult siding products to manufacture. I'm Bill with Nakamoto Forestry, and today is a pretty darn exciting day. We just received a shipment from Japan, fresh off the boat, and it is clear vertical grain Sugi, Japanese cedar siding. Because sustainability is the driver in modern times, there is less and less availability of old growth lumber. And so, where do we go for these beautiful, exclusive, high grade lumber products? We have to use intentional timberland management and forestry practices. When we grow the trees for making this product, we plant the forest twice as dense. We come back about 30 years later and deselect trees, thin the forest a little bit, start limbing the trees for the next 50 to 75 years. We thin the trees and limb them every 10 years. The logs grow quickly, they grow vertically, but they put on girth very slowly. So they add very thin growth rings compared to our flat sawn cedar products. The end result after 100 years of timberland management is a vertical grain siding material that is almost the same. It's almost identical as an old growth lumber. I've studied siding all over the world, especially in Japan and North America, and this is my personal favorite. There's nothing more beautiful. So it's a shiplap profile. Vertical grain means it's a quarter saw and resaw pattern. All of the planks are molded with sapwood, one direction on the female edge, and the heartwood is on the male edge. That gives the finished wall a book matched appearance. It is a sustainable option that we can grow that looks the same as old growth lumber that has been the traditional preferred building material in both the West and in Japan. So we can offer the same high grade, clear grade, vertical grain, the creme de la creme in building materials, in siding, but in a sustainably grown and harvested product. So it's carbon negative from family managed forests. Just nothing else comes close in terms of aesthetic appearance and sustainability metrics. Pull out your wallet for this one. How do you like that soundbite?